You think that's funny, huh? This is perhaps one of my favorite props. It's one of those props that you build and then each year you think to yourself, what can I do to make it better? Aaron originally built this fireplace for his Haunted Mansion themed Halloween party. Last year he gave it a quick makeover by adding this fake brick, and then I added the fire basket insert. It looked great for last year's speakeasy themed Halloween party. This isn't the way it always looked. This fireplace prop has definitely evolved over the last couple years.
Quickly starts working to break down gout buildup. Perspective is an infused medicine. Serious life-threatening.
It's not what it looks like, because behind the wood of the fireplace, it's constructed of cardboard boxes.
This is the fire basket insert prop that I built. I just love it. I made it out of wood. I actually built it for my own home haunt, and then thought it'd look great at Aaron's house and his fireplace. If you enjoyed this quick video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to the channel. Happy haunting. Talk to you soon.